Hi curly tails.
अरे गेड़ी मारते हुए पकड़ लिया आपको।
गेड़ी मारते हुए the best time.
आपके 59 सेकंड्स चाहिए हमें।
Okay.
तो बताइए क्या कौन से गाने होते हैं आपकी प्लेलिस्ट पर?
Mostly Punjabi songs.
Okay. Which restaurant you like to visit with your family?
Zali in Parla East.
One bizarre thing that you can expect in your bedroom.
I've just started this habit कि मैं अपना phone bedroom में नहीं रखता. So I have bought this alarm clock जो पुराना वो alarm clock होता था ना टुट 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 तो वो अभी वो नया एक आया which I'm very happy about.
Tell us favorite place in India for a quick weekend getaway.
Practically जो possible हो पाता है being in Bombay is Alibag.
How do you and Katrina like to spend time?
Mostly when we are traveling we love to go out for walks, cafes. But otherwise when we are at home, just watch some TV, have some good food.
Okay. One actor you wish to work with.
Mr. Bachchan.
Who's the funniest co-star on set?
In the Great Indian Family, Manoj Pava.
कुछ पंजाबी विच बोल दो ਤੁਹਾਡੇ फैंस वास्ते।
खाओ पियो ऐसे करो मित्रों, दिल पर किसी दा दुखायो ना।